That's right, programming is hard. Yes, it really is. Now, before you downvote me, hear me out. I know YouTube and Reddit forums tell you that programming is easy, but that's not really true. You obviously want to hear positive feedback, and that's how Reddit forums work. Positive feedback rises to the top, and negative feedback sinks to the bottom. The best response to hear is that programming is easy. Nobody wants to break the bad news that programming is hard. Well, maybe me. Sorry. Don't get me wrong, there's a small group of people that pick up programming very easy. It just clicks for them, and maybe you're one of them, but probably not. Programming can also be fun. It's still hard, but it doesn't feel that way once you get a handle on it. That might sound a little conflicting, but that's really the best description of programming that I know. It's hard and fun at the same time. You start seeing all kinds of possibilities. The game you were dreaming of coding doesn't seem all that difficult anymore. You pretty much have it figured out, in your brain at least. You just need to start coding. Programming can also be very demanding. Unlike some jobs where you can easily pick up a few extra skills and start rolling along, programming always requires constant learning. There will always be something new to learn, a new version of a language or a framework or a new platform to target. Over time, this can be a huge setback if you're not prepared for the additional time needed to learn. But programming can also be frustrating. You can waste hours and sometimes days working out what you thought were simple problems. Turns out Google doesn't have an answer, and nobody on Reddit knows exactly what you want. And instead of offering solutions to you, they're offering advice and feedback you didn't ask for. Just keep trying, and eventually it'll click in for you. It might take a little longer than you expected, but every problem has a solution. Programming can also be very rewarding. When you manage to go through all the headaches and finally complete your project, it's one of the best feelings in the world. You appreciate what you have created, not because it was easy, but because it was hard. It was very hard.